I tried Qatteeey Watch Review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume all watch review apps are just marketing tools, but Qatteeey claims to offer detailed insights, authenticity checks, and even price comparisons. I spent a full week testing it to see if it actually delivers. On day 1, I downloaded the app and explored its interface. The design is clean and intuitive, with easy access to reviews, ratings, and detailed specifications. Most people skip the spec section, but this is where Qatteeey sets itself apart. It gives exact details on materials, movement types, and brand history. Day 3, I tested the authenticity checker. You won't believe what happens next. It flagged several watches as potentially counterfeit that I would have otherwise considered buying. The surprising truth is that this feature alone can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. By day 5, I explored the price comparison tool. Most people get this wrong by checking only one store, but Qatteeey shows prices across multiple retailers, making it easy to find the best deal. I even discovered a watch I had been eyeing for 20% less than the typical market price. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Qatteeey Watch Review app is more than just reviews. It's a complete tool for anyone serious about buying watches safely and smartly. Most people underestimate how useful a single app like this can be in avoiding scams and making informed decisions. If you want to buy watches with confidence, save money, and avoid fakes, Qatteeey is worth a try. The shocking truth: knowledge is the most valuable accessory when shopping for watches.